You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this indigenous people from the Columbia River. If you want to learn more Native American names that are confusing, stay tuned. There are, I'm afraid, different pronunciations, yes, that are correct, all correct in English. So let's go through. Chinook, all right, Chinook. So with a sh sound, not ch, Chinook. There's also Chinook, which is probably the most common one, but it can also be pronounced as Chinook or Chinook. All right, so all of those are correct. So it's either a sh sound or a ch sound, even though the sh sound is more common, and then either a nuk or a nook sound. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Which one do you normally use? Let me know. Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.